That was beautiful.
Perfect.
Now everyone should do it.
I just made the decision as well. It was not your decision.
Look at you being so cute. We are having pizza. Hello. My hair is all wet. Mine is too, but you can't tell because it's in a bun. Actually, I don't know. I haven't seen myself. Oh, the back of my hair is wet. Wow. Like a rock.
Like a truck. Like a rock.
Like a rock. It's a lovely view today. Not a lot of waves. People down by the pier. Here we are. Yes. Pepperoni with. Am I gonna get it? I don't know. What is this, honey mustard?
Yep.
I forgot. Ah. It's very good.
This is so giant.
It's ginormous.
Yeah, of course.
Hi.
Hi.
You want to see my flip?
Okay.
I grab my toes on. And a one, and a two, and a three.
That was awesome. That was beautiful.
Perfect.
Now everyone should do it.
What?
Now everyone should do it.
Everyone.
Everyone should, yes.
It's classified stuff, so they're getting this. Oh, not that
So beautiful.
great. You can slow that down later. We'll check
Yeah.
it out.
Would that classify as horseplay?
One year storms are brewing. When lightning came down, like, oh yeah, it was right there. Heard a kaboom right away.